around $600 every single day to your bank account or to your crypto wallet is not too small for you. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you a very simple arbitrage which you can perform to make a minimum of $60 on a daily basis. And thanks to everybody who have been commenting, meaning our YouTube channel has been blessing a lot of people because I've been having a lot of testimony about how this particular channel is helping a lot of people and how they have been making profit in this particular community. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you can notify anytime we upload another new video. So in this particular video, let's dive into what we have to do. I was able to make around $60 and that was when I stopped. And that's what I'll be sharing with you. You know, on a daily basis, arbitrate opportunity face, and I'll be sharing this one based on Ethereum, and we'll be trading this particular one or spot. And I'll be using Bybit as an example. So you need to have a Bybit account. Even if you don't have a Bybit account, I'll be dropping my link where you could download the Android version on your phone. So after downloading it, you have to complete your KYC and you'll be having something like this, an interface. I'm under the home interface currently. So if you have that, you have to fund your Bybit account. If you haven't fund your Bybit account, numerous videos I've shared how you could fund your Bybit account, which I'll be dropping in the description of this particular and in the comment section of this particular video. So you have to come here, you have to come down to this particular spec on market. After you tap on market, you come to this search icon here. So when you tap on this search icon here, you just have to tap Ethereum. You'll be using Ethereum to stablecoin. Yes. What did I mean by stablecoin? I'll be explaining it in the shortly in this particular video. And this other one is a stable coin. Stable coin are cryptocurrency that are actually pegged to the US dollar. That means they don't go up, they don't go down. They are not volatile like the Ethereum, like the Bitcoin, like the Dogecoin. They just remain. In as much the price that US dollar is, that's the price they are. 100 or $1,000 USDT as at 2020, as at now, is still at the same price. But Bitcoin as at 2020 in this current time is not the same price. Bitcoin has gone higher more than that particular price. But this stable coin like USDT that we have here is a stable coin. We use it to keep our cryptocurrency so that to avoid any unforeseen circumstance. Like this one is a stable coin, is pegged to the US dollar and USD. This USDC is also a stable coin, and this USDE, they are not always, they don't fluctuate, they always remain at $1. So you could see it now the price is even getting more stable here. You could see that one Ethereum currently here around 35 here, and as at here you could see it now is at 136 here and is at 133 here. When I even did this particular trade, what at this USDT here, Ethereum was around 127. And that is why this particular crypto arbitrage, you have to be very fast. But there are still some certain things which we can do. What you just have to do is that to use your USDT to buy, you use your Ethereum to buy USDT as at this place at 1,335 and sell as at this place as 1,333. Let's go back to my calculator and check the profit that we'll be having. So you can do it multiple times as long as before the prices before they get stabilized. So here we can see it 1,936. Let's 1,936 minus, let's check the lowest one, 1,933 minus 1,933. Now is even at, is now at $3 as we can see here. But if you are able to do this 10 times, if you're able to do it 10 times, you'll be having $30. And if you're able to do it, let's say 100 times, because it's as fast as anything, you'll be having $300. That means if you're able to. So let's dive in. Let me show you what you just have to do. So I've shown you how you could buy your cryptocurrency and get it on Ethereum. So what you have your Ethereum here. I always tell you have to have a large capital to always do this particular thing. So you come here, you just tap in one Ethereum here. You come here, you tap on your buy icon here, then you buy. After you have bought it here, You will not sell here, because if you are selling here, just as if you are buying and selling as at the same time. You come down to this marketplace again. You will now come and tap Ethereum again. Then that is when you will now come to this other place now. You know your USDT now, you have used it to buy Ethereum in the first one. So you now come here, you now tap on this particular one. That particular Ethereum, you now come down to this section here. You tap on your sell and you tap on your one Ethereum here. Then you now sell here. Sorry, you buy here at 133. Then you go to this other trade, at this other Ethereum. You buy at that place. Then you come down to this other Ethereum, USDT. Then you come down to this section here, and you come here and you tap on your one Ethereum and sell. That means you will be buying your Ethereum at 1,933 and you be 335, making a 3 US dollar. You can see that is very small, but I tell you, there is a lot of liquidity and people are buying. So you can always buy and swap it within, let's say, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. People will be able to pick your order, and you'll be able to do this multiple times. So I'll be happy to see your comment in this particular video if you actually give it a try. And please kindly like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime we upload another new video like this. Thank you. Bye bye for now.